Hi friends, I'll continue the same bank reconciliation chapter. This video is reconciliation based on overdraft as per the passbook. In the last video we saw reconciliation based on overdraft as per the cash book. Now we will see same example based on overdraft as per the passbook. Okay, let us do BRS as on 31st March 2020 of A. Kumar. Okay, I will prepare. Consider the same example which we prepared that time in the previous video. The same example will just show in opposite direction, particular. Okay. Overdraft as per passbook. This means, what does it mean? Overdraft is unfavorable balance, right? Overdraft is unfavorable balance. If it is overdraft as per the passbook, this means it is debit balance as per the cash passbook. If it is favorable balance, if nothing is mentioned, if it is mentioned only balance as per the passbook, this means credit balance as per the passbook, credit balance as per the bank statement. Okay. Now this we are preparing overdraft as per the passbook. This is our basis. How much is the balance? 13,380 rupees. If you've seen the previous video, you see this was the result here on the bottom. When we did the adjustment, it was coming here. So I'm considering that amount on the top because I'm just putting it in opposite side. Okay, overdraft as per the cash book. So as I told you, we have to do all the adjustment in a way which is opposite of if the balance is positive. The balance अगर पॉजिटिव था, अगर ये क्रेडिट बैलेंस एज पर द पासबुक होता तो एडजस्टमेंट जैसे करते थे हम लोग प्रीवियस लेक्चर में देखा है, उसके ठीक अपोजिट करेंगे यहाँ पे. डेबिट क्रेडिट बैलेंस एज पर द पासबुक था, उसमें जो एडजस्टमेंट हमने प्लस किया तो यहाँ पे माइनस होगा, जो वहाँ पे माइनस किया तो यहाँ पे प्लस होगा. बस आप ये समझ लें. ओवरड्राफ्ट एज पर द पासबुक. सो दिस इज पासबुक इज हियर ओवरड्राफ्ट. सो विल कंसिडर ऑल द ट्रांजेक्शंस एज आई टोल्ड यू अपोजिट एडजस्टमेंट. सो पासबुक यहाँ पे है ओवरड्राफ्ट में, वी विल टेक हियर cash book and passbook will be on the opposite side. This is my working. This is my working. In every lecture I am saying this working is not found in any of the book. This is my workings which I have studied. I am sharing with you. This is very important to understand the first impact of the transaction either on the cash book and the passbook, and then do the adjustment in the left side based on the right side. Okay. और इसमें हम लोग कोई भी बैलेंस एज्यूम कर चलते हैं. Assume it on 1st March it was 20,000 rupees. You can consider say 30,000 rupees. 30,000 rupees was the balance and it was matching. Both are matching. यहाँ पे आपको मान के चलना है. Now we'll see what is the impact. This is 1st March. Just for understanding, not 31st March. This is 1st March. मान के चलेंगे on that day both the balances were matching. Now we will see each and every transaction, what is the impact and how we will make the adjustment. So first point, overdraft as per the passbook is given 13,380. Okay, what is the first point of not matching? Interest on overdraft for 6 months 240 rupees. सेम एग्जाम्पल आई एम टेकिंग, जो लास्ट में था वो एग्जाम्पल ले रहा हूँ. वहाँ पे भी था 240 रुपीज़ का इंटरेस्ट था, वहाँ पे हमने क्या किया था, ऐड कर लिया था. यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे, लेस करेंगे. क्यों करेंगे? सी, कैश बुक इज ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड, पासबुक इज ऑन द राइट साइड. बैंक हैज टेकन इंटरेस्ट. जिसमें बैंक है डिडक्टेड इंटरेस्ट. बैंक इज नॉट गिविंग इंटरेस्ट. दिस इंटरेस्ट इज ऑन द ओवरड्राफ्ट. एंड आई एक्सप्लेन यू इन द लास्ट वीडियो व्हाट इज ओवरड्राफ्ट. Overdraft is the facility given by the bank to withdraw more than your balance. Like you have zero balance, you can withdraw up to 2 lakh rupees, 1 lakh rupees, 50,000 rupees, and that bank will charge interest on those overdraft amount, overdrawn amount, and they will deduct interest. I mean, they will charge the interest. They will take some interest. Not clear? Bank is giving you facility to withdraw more than your balance. विड्रॉ अप टू सर्टेन लिमिट, जैसे क्रेडिट कार्ड में मिलता है ना फैसिलिटी, आपके पास बैलेंस नहीं कोई भी, देन स्टिल वी कैन विड्रॉ, सेम थिंग, समझ लो क्रेडिट कार्ड की चीज़ को हम लोग ये ओवरड्राफ्ट बोल रहे हैं, ओवरड्राफ्ट एज पर द पासबुक बोल रहे हैं। दिस इज 240 rupees charged as interest on the overdraft. Where is the first impact? Charged mean deducted. Where is the first impact? First impact is on the passbook. So passbook has deducted. How much it is? 29,760. This is the impact, first impact. So we have to make the adjustment on the right side. This will also be 29,760. Okay. So this is minus also. So we have to here it is add, here I'll make less. Bank interest on overdraft, right? Interest on overdraft, ये जो overdraft है इस पे बैंक इंटरेस्ट चार्ज कर रही है, which is deducted from the passbook but it is not recorded in the cash book. Okay. Overdraft is the passbook, here we have reduced it, so here also we will reduce it, minus 240. Okay. Now second point is bank charges for the above period, 60 rupees. Bank charges, where is the first impact? Bank charges, first impact is in the passbook. Bank has deducted 60 rupees. What is the balance? 29,700. Okay. Right side ko, this is the basis, we cannot touch, we have to adjust here in the cash book side, so also we will reduce 60. What is the balance? 29,700. 60. Okay. So here also a bank charges for the period, 60 rupees. Okay. Interest on overdraft, you can say not recorded in books, in cash book. Fine. Fine. Then comes check drawn but not cashed by the supplier prior to 31st March 2020. Cash drawn, sorry, check drawn. Check drawn means check is given to the supplier. Where is the first impact? First impact is on the cash book. This is the impact, 2,300 rupees. Check issued to the supplier. Check is given to the supplier. Where is the first impact? This is on the cash book. 7 7 27,400. When the cashier has given, when the cashier has given a check to the supplier, accountant ने क्या एंट्री किया? Bank credit, debit supplier. Bank is credit. This in bank is reduced in our books. Cash book we reduced it. Cash book is what? Cash book is the bank ledger in our books of account. समझ गए? या कैश बुक में दो कॉलम होता है, कैश कॉलम, बैंक कॉलम. उसका जो बैंक कॉलम उसकी बात हम लोग कर रहे हैं, राइट? दिस यू नो व्हाट इज कैश बुक. कैश बुक सिंपली इट इज द लेजर ऑफ द बैंक इन द आवर बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट, एंड पासबुक इज द स्टेटमेंट गिवन बाय द बैंक. सिंपल है. सो व्हेन वी आर गिविंग ए चेक टू सप्लायर वी रिड्यूस फ्रॉम आवर बैलेंस इन द कैश बुक. नाउ वी हैव टू मैच विद द पासबुक. व्हाट वी विल डू? वी विल एड इट बैक. So 29,700 again. Fine, we added it, so we have to add it here. Check issued but not presented. Okay, you remember in the last lecture we were doing based on the overdraft as per the cash book. So at that time 2,300 was minus, 2,040 was plus, 60 was plus. So plus are now getting minus, minus are getting plus. So same example we are preparing it in the opposite way. Now BR was dishonored for rupees 1,000. BR of rupees 1,000 which was discounted by the bank of 1,000 rupees that were dishonored in March. So what is that? As I explained you, dishonor of bill receivable means we had given a bill to the bank and we had taken the money. At that time bank has given you. Bank deducted some discount and they give you the money. But now when the maturity, that bill is dishonored. So bank will, what will happen? Bank will deduct first. Where is the first impact? That is on the bank. Bank is reducing it. So bank is reducing 1000 rupees. Okay, so now 28,700. What we have to do? We have to follow the right side. We have to make the adjustment in the left side. So minus 1000 here, 28,700. Minus 1000. So bill receivable was dishonored. Fine. Good now. 240, 60, 2300. Okay, we missed one point. Check paid to the bank but not cleared before 31st March. Check paid. As I told you, check paid means check deposited in the bank. 4,340 rupees. Check paid means check deposited in the bank. So where is the first impact? Check deposit करने जाते हैं तो first impact will be in the cash book because check we are going to deposit in the bank. We make the entry. Bank account debit and credit customer. Fine. Credit sales. So check जो मिला हमें customer से मिला. So we'll do bank account debit and credits customer. Bank is debited. Okay. Let me. I will bring it up. First March. Okay. Now check of 4,340 rupees is paid to the bank. This is deposited in the bank. So where is the first impact? It is on the cash book because the accountant has made the entry. This is the impact. So 34,340. But we have to match with the cash passbook. We have to match with the passbook. We will reduce it. 4340. It is again 30,000. Right now it's matching here. So less. Check deposited but not cleared. Right. 4340. Class all. Now all minus will come here and plus will come here. Plus 2,300. How much it is? 80. 3 plus 3 is 6. 15,680. Minus this, how much it is? 6 10 14. 3 plus 3 is 6. 4 and 5. 5640. Yes. So this will be minus 80 40 6 minus 6 0. Yes. 10,040. Fine. 15,680 minus 5,640 is 10,040. This is the balance as per the cash book. Which balance it is? It's again overdraft. Overdraft as per cash book. We started with the overdraft as per the passbook. Now we are reaching at the overdraft as per the cash book. Fine. If you remember the previous video, or you can see that one, we started with 10,040 rupees as overdraft as per the cash book. Okay, and we reach on overdraft as per the passbook 13,380. Now the same example I took. I am telling you again and again. I am sorry, but I just want to remind you. सारे एडजस्टमेंट जो वहाँ पे हमने किया था, all adjustments are just opposite. ठीक है? So this we have done all the 4 methods of reconciliation. This was the last method, overdraft as per the passbook. Previous was we have seen overdraft as per the cash book, and we have seen also balance as per the passbook, balance as per the cash book. Overdraft means negative balance, opposite balance. Fine. I'll make one more video on the overdraft to give you another tricks. Okay. We'll not make it this way. We'll make another way. But I don't want to confuse you, particularly for the students who are going to appear in the exam. Follow the same what is given in the books. Fine. So okay, thank you for watching, and again I am telling, please give your comments so that I can improve it further. Thank you very much. And again I am telling you, this is my working. This working is very, very important to understand the passbook, to understand the impact of the transactions, first impact of the transaction, and then making the adjustments. If you understand this, then you can do the correct adjustments very easily. Okay, thank you very much.